Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Here is our countdown book 2. Now open your countdown. Students, we were revising our chapter number 4, that is multiplication. Here is our page number 55. Today we are going to revise page number 55. Open students, page number 55. Students, our today's topic is missing numbers. It means that we will fill the missing numbers. Let's start our topic. Here is our first part, A. Look students, this is so simple. 4 5s are, we know that because we know the table of 4. So 4 5s are 20. We have learned the table of 1 to 10 before, so it will be more easier for you to solve these sums. Firstly, revise your tables by heart. Here is the question B. Now students, look at the question. This is something different from the first because here we know the answer and the second number, but we want to know the first number. For this, we should learn firstly the table of 3, and you have learned the tables already. So we are going to read the table of 3 till the number 9. Read it with me students. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, and 3 threes are 9. Look, we got the number 9. Now, on which number we got the 9? We got 9 on number 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, and 3 threes are 9. I got the number 9 on the number 3. So, I'm gonna write 3 here. 3 threes are 9. Okay students, so simple. Here is our part C. Look students, my answer is 12 here, and here is my first number, but I want to know the second number. For this I need to learn the table of 6, and we have already learned the table of 6. Now students, let's read the table of 6 till the number 12. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. Oh, we got the 12 so early, and we got it on the number 2. So I'm gonna write 2 here. Now read it students. 6 twos are 12. Now look at these students. Here we have the both numbers and we want to know the answer. That is very easy. You should know about the table of 4 or the table of 8. Any of them we can find out our answer. Here I am gonna read it. The table of 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, and 8 fours are 32. I'm gonna write the number 32 here. Okay students, next is, look, here is the answer. Here is the second number, and we should know about the first number. So students, I'm gonna read the table of 4 till the number 16. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, and 4 fours are 16. Look, I got the number 16. On which number? 1, 2, 3, and 4. I got it on the number 4. Okay students, I'm gonna write here the number 4. Okay, next is our part F. That is very easy because we know the both numbers and we have to write our answer only. 5 fives are 25. Look, I have written my answer here. It is so easy students. Now students, look at the next question. Next part is G. Now look at this. These numbers are written in vertical form. These were written in horizontal, and now we are going to multiply the vertical words like the sums of addition and subtraction. So students, here is the number 8 and 3. I'm gonna read the table of 8 to the 3. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are, tell me students, 8 threes are 24. I'm gonna write the number 24 here. So easy, we have solved our G part. Next is part H. Students, look at the sum. Here we know the answer already and we want to know the second number. For this, I'm gonna read the table of 9 until the number 45 comes. Okay students, now let us read the table of 9 till the number 45. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, and 9 fives are 45. Look students, the number 45 has come. On which number? We got it on the number 5. So I'm gonna write the number 5 here because we got this answer by the number 5. 9 fives are 45. Okay students? Look students, we have solved our sum H. Next is part I, and this one is more easier. You know the table of 10 or the table of 3, you can solve it. First of all, let's revise the table of 10 till the number 3. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, and 10 threes are 30. So we got our answer. 10 threes are 30. To solve this page and this type of sums, you should learn the tables first. Okay students? Next is our part J. Look at this students. This is easier question. First of all, we will read the table of 7 till the number 4. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28. Tell me students, 7 fours are 28. I'm gonna write the number 28 here. Look students, this part K is different from others because here we know the answer and the second number, but the first number is missing. So I'm gonna read my second number until the number 21 comes. So let us read the table of 3. Read it with me students. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, and 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are, oh, I got the number 21 here, and the number is 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, and the number is 7. I got my number 21 on the number 7, so I'm gonna write my word here. Let us check this. 7 threes are 21. We got our answer, that is right. Here is our part L. In this, I'm gonna read the table of 10 till the number 5. Let's read the table of 10. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, and 10 fives are 50. So our answer is 50. Look, we have solved our sum. Next part is M. So students, look at this. These are like your dodging tables. Look students, here I know my answer, that is 30, and I know the second number but not the first. So I'm gonna find out my first number. For this, I'm gonna read the table of 5 until 30 comes. So let us read it. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, and 5 six are 30. So students, look at this. I have solved the number 30, and on which number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I got it on the number 6 here. I'm gonna write the number 6 here. Now let us check it. 5 6 are 30. Look, we have solved it. Next is we got our answer, and we got the first number but not the second number. So I'm gonna find out my second number by reading the table of 7. Help me students to read the table of 7 until the number 28. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28. I got my number 28. And on which number? 1, 2, 3, and 4. I got it on the number 4. So I am writing the number 4 here. Next is part O. Look students, here I also know the answer and the first number but not the second number. I will read the table of the first number until the number 27 comes. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27. So we got my number 27, and on which number? 1, 2, and 3. I got it on the number 3. So I'm gonna write the number 3 here. Okay students, look at the number P. Students, here we know our answer and the first number, but we want to know the second number. So I'm gonna read the table of the number 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, and 5 fours are 20. It means that we got our answer 20, and on which number? 1, 2, 3, and 4. I got it on the number 4. So I'm gonna write here the number 4. Okay students, next is our part Q. Look students, here I know the answer, that is 12. I know the second number, that is 4, but not the first. For this, what I will do? I will read the table of 4 till the number 12 comes. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 16, 4 threes are 12, 4 4. Oh, I got my number 12. So I'm gonna write the number on which 12 comes. Tell me students, what was the number? The number was 3. So I'm gonna write my number 3 here. 4 threes are 12 or 3 fours are 12. Both the answers are same. Next is the last part of our today's topic. That is very easy. You are going to read the table of 8 till the number 2. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. So I'm gonna write my answer, that is 16 here. Okay students, we have solved our today's all sums. Hope this will be clear to you. Okay students, Allah Hafiz.